sir. I want to get to be knowed around and attend to my duties as deputy sheriff.
Barney.
This town to realize that you picked me to be your deputy.
Hi, Andy.
Me? She's way younger than you are. She's in her 40s, and you're already...
Oh, Pete, why don't you go over there and get yourself a candy bar?
Well, there's been fake cards printed up before. Could be the old fake card dodge.
Shrewd observation, Mark.
Thank you.
Listen, Sheriff.
What business would a feller from New York have clear down here in Mayberry?
But I just said that. And you keep an eye on this fella and let us know if he's up to anything unusual. Gotcha.
Next to my big in-ground pool, which I have converted to a catfish pond.
Ooh. It's big.
Okay, now back up, and so you can see I'm going to come sit on. Now try to keep the camera from shaking. Watch where you're stepping.
No. Yeah. Oh, I can kind of see him, but I can see the bobber. I can kind of see him. That's into the water. Yeah. So how do I do it? How do I take the picture? Hello, little cricket. Oh. Poor guy. Yes, that is a... Yes, that's a perfect area. Yes, perfect. It's okay, I got two hands.
Just back up a little bit. Got one. Hold it close, hold it close.
What, you got one?
Keep running.
Watch the bobber, keep it on the bobber.
I see the bobber, I see the bobber. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's a big one. Oh, he's a big one. Oh,
Mom.
Oh, he's big. He's big. He's
Keep
huge.
your arm, keep the camera. You see him on the camera?
Yes, he is huge. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh,
The hook broke. Watch where you're stepping. The hook broke.
What the heck is that?
Yo, he's so... Dad, that is literally the biggest fish I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
I guess they like crickets. It's okay, Copper. He's going to be your dinner.
Don't do that, Andy. It'll embarrass me. He'll think you're just a plain egg. Well, Barney, there's worse things than being a plain egg. Like being a hungry one.